How to remove gaps between subplots in matplotlib. The code below produces gaps between the subplots. How do I remove the gaps between the subplots and make the image a tight grid?
You can use Dreamscape to control the spacing between axes. There's more information here.
The problem is the use of aspect equals equal, which prevents the subplots from stretching to an arbitrary aspect ratio and filling up all the empty space. Normally, this would work. The result is this. However, with aspect equals equal, as in the following code, this is what we get. The difference in this second case is that you forced the x and y axes to have the same number of unit/pixel. Since the axes go from 0 to 1 by default, i.e., before you plot anything, using aspect equals equal forces each axis to be a square. Since the figure is not a square, the plot adds an extra spacing between the axes horizontally. To get around this problem, you can set your figure to have the correct aspect ratio. We're going to use the object-oriented per-plot interface here, which I consider to be superior in general. Here's the result.
Without resorting Dreamscape entirely, the following might also be used to remove the gaps by setting more space and space to 0. Resulting in
With recent matplotlib versions, you might want to try constrained layout. This does, or at least did, not work with plt.subplot however, so you need to use plt.subplots instead.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.